Hi guys, I'm Dream and today I'm gonna show you tips on how to create smooth shakes. Now, I'm gonna create a basic shake just like in the normal shake tutorial with the position. Now that I've created it, the most important thing to shakes is the motion blur. So you have to use motion blur so that the picture is blurred when the shake is at its highest point. Now, this is optional, but you should also use mirror, since without the mirror, the photo will look like this and it's really hollow and the edges behind it look really uneven. So I'm gonna recommend using the mirror. Now, it's very important that when you apply the custom elastic graph on a shake, you want to make sure it's not really aggressive. So like if you make multiple points like this, the shake is gonna be really choppy. Like you can see it's like too many waves for this amount of time. So it does not fit well with the picture. Now if I set it to be slower, you can see it fits perfectly. Or you can just make it a little faster, like. But you have to use the elastic and make sure you don't place it like this. Place it more of like this to create a smooth, seamless shape. Now, steps and bounce aren't used for this purpose because you can see they don't create a smooth shake. These are often used for graphic design. Also with the steps right here, they go in steps like this. So we're not gonna use that. We're gonna use elastic and set the wave to be actually bigger, just like this. Now, if you want to combine multiple shakes at once, for example, position and rotation, I recommend putting the keyframes in different positions. So like for the position, it ends here, and for the rotation, it ends at the end of the clip. Now, what that makes is it keeps the shake and the image moving so it doesn't stop. So if I play back this, you can see the position stops around here, but the photo still rotates a bit and it creates that movement effect and makes the shake really smooth. Now, these are almost all of the tips that you can use for shakes, as one of the most important things being the motion blur and the graph you use. Because for example, if I go to rotation and set the bounce graph, the elastic, really high just like this with multiple waves, you can see it looks really choppy and really fast. It doesn't fit the shake at all. So you really need to make it like this, with a lower and bigger wave. Now this is all on how to create smooth shakes, and these are all the tips on how to create the perfect shake.